Hello folks, welcome back. In this Powerapps demo, I'm showing how to get current logged in user profile information, for example, department, job title, and office location. Stay till the end and let's jump right into it. I am on Office 365 main page. From here, I will select the Powerapps icon and click on it. This will take me to the Powerapps application page. To create a new Power App, I will click on Create Link here. Now from the available option, I will click on the Canvas app from blank. I will give this app a name, call it Test App, and I will keep it as tablet format and click Create. This will create a blank app for me. Now from the top menu, I will click on Insert and then click Label. I will just add a label here and I will change the label text. I'll just say user department. Let's change the label size here. Next I will go to the text and click text input and I will create an input box here. Next I have to click on the data source icon from the left corner and then scroll down to connectors, and then I need to look for Office 365 user connector. I will click on Office 365 user connector. If you have a connection, you can choose one of the connection already, or you can create a new connection. I have already added few connections, so I will click on one of the connection which I want to use. Now you can see the connection is available in the app. I will select the text box, and the default value for that text box, I need to set it to department of the current logged in user. I will remove the text input string and I will say Office 365 users dot user profile, and then I will provide the current logged in user email. So user dot email close bracket and then dot. Now you can see it's giving me a few options, so I can type in department and hit enter. As soon as I hit enter, you can see the user department is already added into the text box. Now instead of department, I can type in office location and hit enter. This will give me current logged in user office location. I can now get the user job title, so I will select dot job title. Now hit enter. This will give me the current logged in user job title from the user profile. Once you connect it to the user profile, you can actually call any property of the current logged in user. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel by pressing the red subscribe button below this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. If you have any queries related to this video or anything related to Office 365, post in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer. Thank you.